Hello, my name is Manu. Welcome to TELW, the English workshop. This is the first basic English lesson. So, if you don't know any English, this is your first lesson. So, what did I do? Hello, my name's Manu. I introduced myself. That was an introduction. Hello, my name's Manu. Some people also say, hello, I'm Manu. I am. I'm Manu. Not I am Manu. I'm Manu. That's also okay. I'd say, hello, my name's Manu. So, hello, my name's Manu. Then, let's look at a conversation. Hello, my name's Manu.
Hi Manu, my name's Richa.
Hi Richa, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine too, thanks. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too.
So, a conversation. Hello, my name's Manu. Hello, Manu. So, that's a conversation, a chat. So, what did she say? Hello, Manu. My name's Richa. Hello, Manu. My name's Richa. Hello, my name's Manu. How are you? How are you? So, how are you? Repeat. How are you? Good. How are you? So, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? See, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Oh, I'm fine too. Thank you. I'm fine too. So, I'm fine, you're fine, both fine. So, I'm fine too. I'm fine too. Too, very important. I'm fine, thank you, or I'm fine, thanks. Repeat. I'm fine, thanks. Yeah. I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thanks. Both are fine. Practice this conversation with your friend. Now let's look at time. Hello, that's a greeting. Hello. Hello or good morning. If it's in the morning, good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. 4 ways. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is for time. So let's look at one conversation here. Good morning, Richa.
Good morning Manu, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too, thanks.
Thanks. See, I'm fine, thanks. Not I'm fine, thank you. Both are fine. I'm fine, thank you. Great. I'm fine, thanks. Great. Both. Same. Now, I want you to practice this in the day till we get the second video. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.